Hi, it's day 7 and we are going to create this effect in Figma. I'm starting with a frame and adding color to it, which we will use later. I'm using these icons and these are icons by Iconly. You can find it in Figma community. I am putting all this icon under a frame, adding a color and adjusting the space. Now let's prepare that light effect. For that, I will use the pen tool to make a line. You can use a line as well. Then take a rectangle and add a linear gradient and adjust accordingly. I'm using two color, one is white and the second is purple. Adjust its bottom to make it bell shaped. Then group it together and add it to our frame. Since I'm using auto layout, I am using absolute positioning for this so that I will easily be able to change its position with auto layout. Copy it and change the position of this light element. Later I felt this light was too much, so I reduced its opacity. Now I am reducing the opacity of other elements which are not under the light element. Now finally select all these and make a component set. And finally connect every faded icon to their respective active states. I am selecting them in bulk and connecting them together. With the after delay of 1 ms and smart animate with default setting, you can animate it. And we are done. I hope you like it and see you tomorrow.